South America test. Which rainforest is located in South America? A. Andes. B. Incas. C. Pampas. Or D. Amazon? Question number 2. What is the largest country in South America? A. Venezuela. B. Argentina. C. Ecuador. D. Brazil. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 3. What type of economic system does the country of Cuba have? A. Free enterprise. B. Socialist. C. Command. D. Traditional. Question number 4. Which country is the largest one in the Caribbean? A. Haiti. B. Jamaica. C. Puerto Rico. D. Cuba. Question number 5. According to the English philosopher blank, if the government fails to protect the rights of the people, then the people have the rights to overthrow the government by force if necessary. A. Thomas Paine. B. John Locke. C. Ben Franklin. D. John Adams. Question number 6. How did the Inca modify their environment to connect different regions of their empire? A. They conquered other cultural groups. B. They built roads, tunnels, and bridges. C. They used the existing river waters for transportation. D. They located their capital at the location where 4 provinces met. Question number 7. The French and Indian War was fought between which 2 countries? A. Britain and Spain. B. France and Germany. C. Sweden and Italy. D. France and Britain. Remember, you can pause your video at any time. Question number 8. Who was the founding father who stated, "Give me liberty or give me death"? This inspired the colonists to fight for independence against Britain. Was it A. James Madison? B. Thomas Jefferson? C. Sam Adams? Or D. Patrick Henry? Question number 9. The members of the Third Estate presented their complaints to King Louis about paying taxes to help pay for the blank and its support of the colonists in the revolution against Britain. A. World War I. B. Battle of New Orleans. C. Battle of Yorktown. Or D. 7 Years' War. Question number 10. What was the time period The era when the Europeans began exploring the world by sea in search of new trading routes, wealth, and knowledge. Question 1. A. The Renaissance. B. Manifest Destiny. C. Age of Exploration. D. The Enlightenment. Question number 11. What is the permanent destruction of forests in order to make the land available for other uses? Is it A. Socialization, B. Translation, C. Deforestation, or D. Population? Question number 12. The French Revolution of 1792 was influenced by the events of the American Revolution of 1775. Which of the following is one historically noted influence? Is it A. The French were inspired to fight unfair governments as those in the American Revolution did? B. The French saw that much money was made in the American Revolution and wanted to gain wealth as well? C. The French saw that the colonists in the American Revolution were not successful, therefore they backed away from fighting? Or D. The French were inspired by the use of diplomatic negotiations by the colonists during the American Revolution as a means of ending the conflict? Question number 13. In Brazil, the grassland region known as the blank is being cleared by deforestation at a faster pace than the Amazon rainforest. Is it A. The highlands, B. Cerrado, C. The lowlands, or D. Mercado? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 14. According to the News ELA article in the Deforestation, which fast food chain uses soybeans to feed its livestock that were grown on land cleared by burning tropical forests in South America? Is it A. Wendy's, B. Dairy Queen, C. Jack in the Box, or D. Burger King? Question number 15. What type of adaptation to the environment is shown in the picture? Is it A. Inca terracing farming, B. Clearing sites for home building, C. Natural wind erosion, or D. Native ceremonial platforms? Question number 16. Which two countries in South America have been affected the most by deforestation? A. Venezuela and Ecuador, B. Chile and Argentina, C. Brazil and Bolivia, D. Paraguay and Colombia? Question 17. The environmental group Mighty Earth says there's evidence showing patterns of forest burning in South America. This evidence was gathered from satellite imaging and blank. Is it A, flying birds, B, flying drones, C, flying helicopters, D, flying airplanes? Question number 18. Which of the following is an example of an animal that has become extinct in the rainforest of South America? Is it A, flying squirrel, B, brass monkey, C, zebra, D, short-tailed bat? Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 19. The largest rainforest in the world is the blank rainforest in South America. Is it A, Lima, B, Quito, C, Amazon, D, Sucre? Question number 20. What is the longest river in South America? Is it A, the Yangtze, B, the Amazon, C, Nile, D, Kampala? Question 21. Look at the box and read the headline. The headline above best supports which of the following statements? Let's look at the box first. The Amazon rainforest was profoundly changed by ancient humans. The region's ecology is a product of 8,000 years of indigenous agriculture. The question asks again. The headline above best supports which of the following statements? Is it A, the indigenous tribes often modified their environment to meet their agricultural needs? B, the indigenous tribes adapted to their environment to meet their agricultural needs? C, the indigenous tribes' agricultural way of life did little to affect the ecosystem of the rainforest? D, the indigenous tribes' agricultural way of life made their lives more productive. Question 22. The American Revolution was a colonial revolt that took place between 1775 and 1783. The American patriots in the 13 colonies won independence from Great Britain, becoming the United States of America. This revolution was caused, as has been the case for other historic revolutions, by which of the following? A, consistently poor weather conditions and inability to farm. B, a lack of quality education. C, a lack of representation in government and oppressive laws. D, a need for search for gold in the New World. Please make sure your name is on top of in the front of your test. Check your answers, make sure you have bubbled them in correctly. If you made any changes, please make sure you properly erase them. Take your time. Good luck.